A rational number is a number that can be expressed as a ratio or fraction of two integers where the denominator is not zero. Also, when converted into decimal form, a rational number can be either A, an integer, B, a terminating decimal, or C, a recurring decimal. The option A number, -8, is an integer which can be expressed as a ratio of two integers, as these examples show, and the option B number is a terminating decimal. Therefore, these numbers are rational numbers. What about option C? The square root of 2 over 3 is not a ratio of two integers. That is, while 3 is indeed an integer, the square root of 2 is an irrational number approximately equal to 1.41. Therefore, the square root of 2 over 3 is not a rational number, and the answer to this question is option D.